Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the thrilling world of Google Ads jobs. This dynamic field presents a plethora of opportunities for digital marketers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned veterans. Google Ads is an ever-evolving platform, and the demand for professionals who can navigate this landscape and maximize its potential is skyrocketing. The roles in this field are as diverse as they are rewarding, with job titles ranging from PPC specialist to Google Ads manager. Each position comes with its own set of responsibilities, tasks, and required skills. But worry not, we're here to guide you through it all. In this video, we'll explore these roles in detail, giving you a clear picture of what it takes to thrive in a Google Ads job. So, if you're ready to kickstart or level up your digital marketing career, stay tuned. Let's start by understanding the landscape of opportunities available in this field. From entry-level positions to more advanced roles, there's a role suited for every skill level and expertise. As we delve into the realm of Google Ads jobs, we discover a diverse array of positions. On one end of the spectrum, we have the pay-per-click PPC specialists. These are the folks who kickstart their digital marketing journeys by managing and optimizing PPC campaigns. They get their hands dirty with keyword research, ad creation, and basic data analysis. Next up, we have the digital marketing assistants. These multitaskers often juggle various responsibilities, including managing Google Ads campaigns, coordinating with the SEO team, and helping out with social media marketing. A great stepping stone for those looking to gain a broad understanding of the digital landscape. As you gain more experience, you might find yourself stepping into the shoes of a Google Ads manager. This role involves overseeing all aspects of a company's Google Ads strategy, from budgeting and strategy development to execution and performance tracking. It's a role that demands both strategic thinking and meticulous attention to detail. And then we have the PPC strategists. These are the seasoned professionals who use their extensive knowledge and experience to design effective PPC campaigns. They're the ones who look at the big picture, analyzing market trends and consumer behavior to drive campaign success. But of course, these are just a few examples. The world of Google Ads is vast and ever-evolving, offering a plethora of other roles like Google Ads consultants, PPC analysts, and so forth. Each role comes with its own set of responsibilities, challenges, and rewards, providing ample opportunities for growth and career advancement. Now, let's talk about what you'll actually be doing in these roles. Each job in the Google Ads ecosystem revolves around a common goal: to create, manage, and optimize effective advertising campaigns, but the specifics, well, they can vary quite a bit depending on the role you're in, the size of the company, and the industry you're working in. And that's what makes it so exciting. Whether you're a numbers whiz who loves crunching data, or a creative thinker who enjoys crafting compelling ad copy, there's a place for you in the world of Google Ads. So are you ready to dive in? The core responsibility of a Google Ads professional is to create, manage, and optimize advertising campaigns on Google's platforms. Now let's delve deeper into what tasks these roles involve. First up is keyword research. This is where you'll use tools and techniques to identify which words and phrases potential customers are using to search for products or services, similar to those your client or company offers. It's all about understanding the customer's language and how they search for what they need. Once you've got your keywords, it's time to craft compelling ad copy. This is where your creativity comes into play. You'll need to write concise, engaging adverts that not only attract clicks but also drive action. Remember, your ad copy is often the first interaction a potential customer will have with the brand you're promoting, so it's crucial to make a good impression. Now, on to campaign analysis. This is where the numbers come in. You'll need to keep a close eye on various metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition. This data will tell you how well your campaign is performing and where there might be room for improvement. It's all about making sure you're getting the best return on investment for your client or employer. Of course, these tasks aren't carried out in isolation. You'll often be working as part of a team, communicating with clients and coordinating with other departments. And while each task is important, they all feed into the ultimate goal of driving results through effective advertising. This brings us to a key point. One of the most important skills for success in Google Ads jobs is a deep understanding of data analysis. It's not just about crunching numbers, but also interpreting what those numbers mean in the context of your campaigns. The ability to turn raw data into actionable insights is what will set you apart in this field. So if you're someone who loves a good blend of creativity and analysis, a career in Google Ads could be right up your alley. You'll be at the forefront of digital marketing, shaping the way brands connect with their customers online. One of the most important skills for success in Google Ads jobs is a deep understanding of data analysis. Being able to interpret metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition is crucial for optimizing campaign performance. Now that we've covered the importance of data analysis, let's delve into the other skills that can make you a whiz in the world of Google Ads. Firstly, you'll need a solid understanding of Google's advertising platform. This includes knowing how to navigate the Google Ads interface, setting up campaigns, and utilizing Google's suite of tools to optimize your ads. You'll also need to be aware of the latest updates to Google's advertising policies and algorithms, as these can greatly impact the success of your campaigns. Next up is keyword research. This is the backbone of any successful Google Ads campaign. Your ability to identify and target the right keywords can make or break your ad performance. This requires a blend of creativity and analytical thinking, as you'll need to put yourself in the shoes of your target audience and figure out what they're searching for. Writing compelling ad copy is another essential skill. Your ads need to grab attention, convey your message clearly, and motivate users to take action. This means you need to be a master of persuasion, able to craft powerful headlines and descriptions that drive clicks and conversions. Let's not forget about strategic thinking. You'll need to develop and execute effective advertising strategies that align with your clients' or employers' business objectives. This involves understanding their target audience, setting realistic campaign goals, and making data-driven decisions to optimize campaign performance. Finally, we come to communication. Whether you're presenting campaign results to a client, collaborating with a team, or negotiating with vendors, your ability to communicate effectively is key. This doesn't just mean being able to express your thoughts clearly, but also listening and understanding others' perspectives. So, as you can see, there's a lot more to Google Ads jobs than meets the eye. It's a blend of technical know-how, creative thinking, strategic planning, and effective communication. Whether you're working in-house for a company or at an agency serving multiple clients, the ability to communicate clearly and professionally is essential. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Google Ads jobs. We've explored the landscape of opportunities from entry-level roles like PPC specialist and digital marketing assistant to more advanced positions such as Google Ads Manager or PPC Strategist. Regardless of your current skill level or expertise, there's a place for you in this dynamic and rapidly evolving field. In these roles, you're not just sitting behind a desk. You're delving into the heart of digital marketing, creating, managing, and optimizing advertising campaigns that can make or break a business's online presence. You're researching keywords, crafting compelling ad copy, and analyzing campaign performance to ensure maximum return on investment. But it's not just about the numbers. One of the most crucial skills for success in Google Ads jobs is a deep understanding of data analysis. Interpreting metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition is a must. It's about making sense of the data and using it to drive strategy and decision-making. Moreover, effective communication is key. You'll be collaborating with clients, colleagues, and other stakeholders, aligning campaign objectives and strategies. Whether you're working in-house or at an agency, the ability to communicate your ideas clearly and professionally is paramount. And let's not forget about the career prospects. The demand for skilled Google Ads professionals is on the rise. As businesses continue to recognize the importance of online advertising, the opportunities in this field are only set to grow. Whether you're looking for a stable in-house position or the flexibility of agency work, the world of Google Ads is rife with potential. So if you're someone who's passionate about digital marketing, loves the thrill of crunching numbers and optimizing campaigns, and has a knack for clear and effective communication, a career in Google Ads could be your perfect fit. If you're passionate about digital marketing and love the thrill of optimizing campaigns for success, this could be the perfect career path for you. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the various job roles and responsibilities in the Google Ads space to the key skills required for success. If you're ready to jump into the world of digital marketing and Google Ads, we hope this video has given you a solid starting point. Remember, the landscape of digital marketing is ever evolving, and staying on top of the latest trends and tools is crucial. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, our channel is here to guide you through the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or colleagues who might also benefit. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos and insights on digital marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights on navigating the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing.